Do you want to know what the Colorado Springs market is like? Well, I'm going to give you an idea of what's happening in the market today so that you can make the best decision whether it's time for you to buy or it's time for you to sell. So, my name is Ramona Williams. I've been selling real estate here in Colorado Springs. I'm with the Springs Home Team at Keller Williams Partners. Me and my team are here to assist you and help you decide whether it's a good time to buy or to sell. Okay, so what we've noticed with the market starting out is if you look at the national average, we're still not even in a normal market. We are way below market numbers for sellers out there, so we don't have enough houses on the market. If you look at a 6-month supply, which is what we're supposed to have, we have a quarter of that supply right now. We have about 2,000, a little over 2,000 houses on the market today. To be in a normal market, we need to have about 8,000 homes, and we don't have that. We're not even close. Now, if you're a seller and you want to sell in this market, I can tell you that inventory is down, but does that mean that your price is down? No, because our average price in December was $492,000. It was a 2% decrease from November. And from November's price to October, we've seen a 4% decrease. So are the houses selling? Yes. Do you want to be the active home in your area that's helping sell the other houses? No. So I'm going to tell you one thing, sellers, don't overprice your house. If you are at market value or under, if you're at market value, you better have all the bells and whistles. Your house better look pristine, but you need to make sure that it looks like you kept your home up in order for it to sell. Because if you have nicks, scratches, need paint, need handiwork, very old furnish, you better start dropping your price. So it comes down to price, right? Price is going to determine whether your house sells or not. You can't say, oh, well, it's the market that's not selling my house. No, it's not the market. It's actually your home. If you price it right, your home will sell. We actually had a multiple offer bid on a house in Claremont Ranch just recently. And because they priced it right, we got asking exactly what they, actually over what they wanted. So if you price your house right, listen to your real estate agents. If they're not telling you the right information, give me a call. Anyway, days on the market for you sellers, days in the market in the summer were like 2 to 3 days, right? Then we got into August, September. Then we were at like 7 days. We kind of seen the market changing a little bit. Then we were at 7 days. I'm telling you right now, the days in the market is only, the average days in the market is only 17 days. So when you ask me if it's a good time to sell your house, if you have to sell your house, yeah, it's a good time to sell your house, get it sold. If you don't have to sell your house, maybe you should wait till the summer. We don't know. We can't make predictions. We know the market just as well as you do. We study the past history, what's going on. We all know where the interest rates are. We all know that they're going up and they're kind of unstable. They're going up and down. We also know that possibly the interest rates are going to change another 2 times this year before the year ends, and that's kind of crazy, but that's what we're being told. So the market's just unstable, and we'll keep watching it. We'll keep reporting on what's happening. But if you are a buyer and you're looking at the market, just know that we've seen, since August, we've seen 50% of our homes have price decreases. That to you, a buyer, is golden, because with those prices coming down, it makes the house more affordable because of the interest rates. And sure, are we quite at that normal place where the interest rate makes sense and the price makes sense? Absolutely not. We're not there yet. Are we going to get there? Possibly. But do you want to wait till you're competing with everybody else and then you have to overbid? Absolutely not. So that's why I'm telling you, it's very important that you set some time aside. Talk to an agent that's going to help you out. Talk to an agent that's going to sit down and listen to your story and relate it to the market. If you're only here for a year, or don't know if you're going to be here for 2 years or more, maybe it's not a great time for you to buy. Maybe you should just rent. And I can tell you, rent's going up like crazy. I mean, our market may only go 3 to 5% up may increase 3 to 5% in the next year, but rents, I can tell you, are going to probably increase 18 to 25%. So you have to ask yourself whether it's the right time to buy or not, and should you be in the market at this point in time. And my team can surely help you out. Just want to give you some stats. There's 953 listings as of November. That was a decrease from October. Under contract, we're at 1,285 in the end of November, and that was a decrease of 212 homes. And like I said, the average home price has decreased about 2%. So I'm Ramona. I'm with the Springs Home Team. I am here to help you walk you through the buying or the selling process. I'm experienced, and my team would love to help you out. And like I said, it's just having a conversation to make sure this is the right market for you or not. Thanks, everyone.